जब मलिंगा बॉल फेंकता है ना तो उसके बाल कैसे हिलते हैं, सो इट वाज द बेस्ट। अरे मैं बायंदर में हूँ यार, लाइक मैं बाबा जी की सेवा में आई थी एंड अनुश्री लाइक व्हाट इज बाबा जी का सेवा डूड। आई डोंट नो व्हाई लड़कों का इंप्रेशन हमेशा बुरा होता है, बट यू गाइस शुड हियर व्हाट गर्ल्स टॉक। The wallpaper on my phone is a dandelion because dandelion might be considered as a weed, as a wildflower, unwanted, but उसका एक अलग मीनिंग भी है, when you blow the dandelion in the air और जब वो सब कुछ उड़ जाता है, then they say that your wish comes true, your dreams do come true, and the first time I saw dandelion was 6 months before in Sweden. तो मुझे एक dandelion से encounter, it was a thing, and if I could show you a picture, I just love dandelion. I'll show you a picture. मैं पागल हो गई थी और मेरे दोस्त सोच रहे थे कि ये क्या हो गया इस लड़की के साथ. Imagine this is the picture that I'm holding, actually a dandelion. The hottest pictures that I have ever gotten clicked by was Rohan Shrestha. And I feel that this picture of mine is very hot. When I saw the pictures, I literally yelled. I was like, ah, this is me. I don't believe it, that's me. I remember I was shooting at home for some Diwali, something that I was shooting for. और क्योंकि दिवाली का मौका था, सब कोई तैयार था घर में, एंड आई रिमेंबर दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्यूट पिक्चर एंड दिस ऑलवेज इट्स बीन अ प्रोफाइल पिक्चर ऑन माई व्हाट्सएप DP सिंस ईयर्स, क्योंकि यू कैन सी माई फादर इज़ लुकिंग एट माई मॉम, वेयर आई एम लुकिंग एट माई फादर, माई सिस्टर and my brother. It's such a candid picture and it's such an effortless picture. I think this is one picture which I would this is my favorite, my all-time favorite picture, and this will always be on my display picture. लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि मृणाल, you're an actress now, upload some hot, sexy pictures of yours, and I was like, thank you very much, but it is going to be this. A throwback picture. I think this was my wallpaper, couple of before dandelion, and I love flowers and I love wild flowers. This picture is taken in London, and that's the daisy. And I really wish I could go back in London. London is my favorite destination. और मेरे passport पर भी अगर पहला किसी country का stamp हो तो that is London. So this is my favorite throwback picture. I mean, I would love to upload it over and over again. I took was, this is quite kind of interesting, was with a fan who got a Bartla House poster, and they were wearing Bartla House t-shirts. I was very impressed and I was like, my god, इतना सारा प्यार मैंने life में कभी नहीं देखा है, witness किया है. So I'm very happy and I took a picture of both of them. The last video I took was to upload on social networking sites. It was about the Maharashtra floods. Sangli and Kolhapur, there are a lot of floods going on. So I just wanted to raise an awareness about please donate as much as you can. I was watching a video on ABP Maaza and I saw there's this two children, one from 7th standard, the girl child is in 7th grade from Jalna, donated 197 rupees to a sanstha, which would help the animals, which would help buy medicines for the animals. So it was very overwhelming. So that was the last video I took. One boomerang video that I love the most is one with Malika. She's my hairstylist, and I because I love curly hair, grass is always greener on the other side. I have straight hair. So there's this video where Malika is holding the tong and I'm just going like this, like Malinga. जब मलिंगा बॉल फेंकता है ना तो उसके बाल कैसे हिलते हैं. So it was the best boomerang video ever. सबसे पहले है तमन्ना हस्बैंड. तमन्ना इज़ माई द स्टाफ. उनके पास फ़ोन नहीं तो उनके हस्बैंड के पास फ़ोन है. सो मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉल्स, क्योंकि तमन्ना आपके बिना मैं इनकम्प्लीट हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज़ माई डैड, माई सिस्टर लोचन ठाकुर, देन सत्यजीत माई फ्रेंड, गुंजन वैद्य, Panna Aunty Chembur, Ritesh, my trainer, Anchal, my manager, and my friends, my few friends. I did last call to my manager, Anchal. मैं सबसे ज़्यादा मैसेजेस, oh God, we have this very funny group, okay? I'm laughing right now only. So मेरे 3 दोस्त हैं, उसमें से एक बहुत ही सती सावित्री और दूसरी तो एक्सट्रीम है. So we only talk about, so उनके लिए ऐसे नहीं कि मृणाल इज़ एन एक्ट्रेस. फॉर देम इट्स, हाँ होगी वो एक्ट्रेस, बट शी इज़ आवर फ्रेंड, शी इज़ आवर कॉलेज फ्रेंड. सो अनुश्री एंड करिश्मा आर 2 एक्सट्रीम फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन. वन ओन्स अ कंपनी एंड वन इज़ इनटू केटरिंग बिजनेस. तो हमारी बातें ऐसी होती है, अरे करिश्मा तो कहा, अरे मैं बायंदर में हो यार, यू नो लाइक मैं बाबा जी की सेवा में आई थी. एंड अनुश्री लाइक व्हाट इज बाबा जी का सेवा डूड, यू नो. एंड आई एम लाइक गाइस स्टॉप इट. सो द काइंड ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन वी हैव, इट्स वेरी, आई एम श्योर लड़कों, यू नो, आई डोंट नो वाई लड़कों का इंप्रेशन हमेशा बुरा होता है, बट यू गाइस शुड हियर व्हाट गर्ल्स टॉक. इट्स डैम फनी, इट्स डैम फनी. और ऐसे ऐसे शब्दों का इन्वेंशन होता है, आई कांट इवन टेल यू. लास्ट हमारा एक ग्रुप है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सुपर 30 ग्रुप. That's actually my family. So my family group pe, you know, mothers, because my mother is traveling, so they always keep sending some motivational stuff. ये interview bug, तो interview bug, hits bug, पदार्थ recipe, so उनका चलता रहता है. So last message was, please guys, my memory is full, so stop sending me so many messages. And the name of the group is Super 30, by the way. Family group called Super 30. It's going to be soon Batla House now. Most used 3 apps. One is WhatsApp, one is Swiggy, Spotify, Hello, and Instagram. I think all these apps, I'll tell you. Instagram, important, number 1. Number 2, Spotify, because music is must. Number 3, Swiggy, because my mom is not at home and we are ordering food from all over. My trainer is going to be so disappointed when he watches this video. And then the next is Twitter, and then the cabs, because sometimes when I drive and I don't drive, I prefer taking cabs, क्योंकि मुंबई में बहुत सारे नो पार्किंग के बोर्ड्स लग चुके हैं, लेकिन हमें ये नहीं पता कि हम अपनी गाड़ी पार्क कहाँ करें. Wait, there are so many actually. One note which I made, keep making notes now because my brother is in 10th standard. I have designed his schedule because बच्चे तो कभी schedule follow नहीं करते. So I had to write a timetable for him. 2:40 come back home, 2:40 to 3:15 eat lunch, 3:15 to 3:45 half an hour nap, 4 o'clock tuition to 7 o'clock, 7:40. Come back home till 8:15, have dinner at 9, play PS4 9 to 10, because gaming अगर नहीं हुआ then I'm not following your plan. Last thing I googled was horoscope 2019 because I believe in horoscopes, sorry guys, but I believe in predictions and I don't know why it just gives me satisfaction. मुझे रोज़ सुबह उठ के एक तो न्यूज़पेपर में वो एक कॉलम आता है ना, लियो, what Leo has to say, so that's the last thing I google. Dance. Yay! Every time कुछ everybody says you've done a great job, my emoji would be the dancing lady in the red. You know, I have a Jeeta Jagta alarm, that's my sister. So the first thing is like, beta, it is 6 o'clock, get up. I was like, okay, I'm up. Next comes 6:15. She's like, it is 6:15 now, I'm not going to call you again. I'm not going to wake you up again. I said, okay, I'm up. 6:30, she's like, आता जायचंय की नाही जायचंय, तू सांग. I'm like, okay, I'm waking up. So she's like, because of you, I also get late. So thank God I have a sister. And alarm, अगर मैं फ़ोन के भरोसे, if I'm traveling somewhere and I have to be dependent on phone, no, trust me, my phone is running out of battery. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe to Bollywood Now.